Oh boy, I sure do love parties. Yeah, me too. Hey Pneumonia, hey Rheumatoid Arthritis, welcome to my party. Hey man, yeah, thanks for inviting us. Thanks, Humera. Yeah, we just got the party in the back. Just chill out and like sniff some glue with us. Yeah, man, that sounds sick. No. What do you mean no? Inhalants can like kill you. Yeah, well, so can I. So can a 2011 Subaru Impreza going over the speed limit. So can a very dedicated duck. So can Al Capone. Al Capone is dead. Yeah, well, a zombie Al Capone. Shoot, you're right. Guess I can't argue with that. You're not special, rheumatoid arthritis. Oh gosh, oh no, you only use my full name when you're peer pressuring me. Snort the spray, alright. Okay, G's fine, okay, I'll do it. Yeesh. Wrong! Rheumatoid arthritis should not have succumbed to the peer pressure of Humera and pneumonia. Inhalants are a drug, and they're very bad. Long-term effects include hearing loss, memory loss, loss of concentration. Short-term effects include dizziness, hallucinations, loss of balance, headaches, sudden death.
Bro, oh my gosh.
Oh no,
What did you put in there? Dude, I don't know.
Well,
Okay?
obviously you put something.
Well, obviously you put something, or else you would be able to grab would she? Go call the police. Okay, I'll handle this. Okay.
Are you stupid?
Does anybody know CPR? Does anybody know?
Because if we call cops, my mom's gonna come home and she's gonna see all the freaking alcohol over here and she's gonna grab me for like 15 months and I'm never gonna be able to see the light.
Are you serious? You're so afraid of freaking getting grounded that you're going to just leave her here? What is your problem? What is wrong with you? Okay, someone else call the police then, because this guy's too much of a coward to do it, okay? Just do something. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll check for a pulse.
Rheumatoid arthritis was my best friend. She was strong. She was a wonderful runner. She was calm. She listened to you. She never judged. She was just wonderful in that way. She was an active member in a debate, church, Christian club, because she knew that she had a mission to share the message with the whole world. The message that no matter where you went, you would always be loved. And she did share that message. All of us here remember that. But as the sun sets on her final chapter, I'm sure that there's one more message that we can all think of that rhymes with her passing. Don't do drugs. Drugs are bad. Don't do them. Drugs are good. Don't do lots of bad drugs. Lots of bad drugs. Not good. Yep, no good. Don't do drugs. Okay.